north-central Coldora. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located southwest of Hayden, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. This severe thunderstorm will be near Storm Thun, Ashtown, Hayden. The main threat of this storm will be riverside depth. This is a dangerous storm. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building, or get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from the Service in Hayden has issued a tornado warning for Redfield County, north-central Coldora. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a tornado on the ground near Hayden, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. This tornadic thunderstorm will be near Hayden, Ashtown, Redfield, Green Lake. This is a very dangerous storm. For your protection, seek shelter in a strong building. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. Get under